Hello, my Nubians. Yep, I'm back here again. I made a video previously called Cookies. So I decided to make another one. Save me. So yeah, basically you just click this cookie and freaking get more cookies. And why do people play this game? Seriously, why do people play this game? I don't get it. It's addicting, sort of, yeah, but what the frick? This isn't fun. This is what you call fun? Oh, look, I got a cursor. Yay! And I can get upgrade. Oh, look, I got another cursor and another one. Oh, yay! I mean, seriously, I did play it then, and yeah, I got a little bit addicted. Just a little, and I like a million cookies. Not that many. So I just collected a bunch, and just clicked it, and it's pretty boring. And I got pretty bored of it after a while, and now I realized that there's no point to this game, and I officially, right here, I'm going to stop playing this game. Right here. I'm going to stop playing this game, like, right now. Just right now. Yeah. I'm going to stop playing. Okay, just a couple more cookies. Let me get to 500. Oh, did I say 500? I meant 3,000 for the factory. You know. Yeah, and then I'll stop. I'll stop then. Whew, so close. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Woo! Woo! Yeah, 3,000. Got a factory. Where's all my other things? Oh, whatever. Yeah, and I have 10.4 per second. I'm awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna stop now. First I'm just gonna get a mine. Just one. This game is taking over my life. Oh my god. There's so many. Where are the cursors? I've been finished cookies. Hyperventilating. I was gonna stop. I have one mine. Get more mines. More mines. More mines. More factories. More factories. More. How many? Oh, no. Prisms. More prisms. More prisms. Many prisms. Many more. Alchemists. Shipments. There's not very many of those. More. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Oh, I think I can't stop playing. This game really has taken over my life. It's back. I stopped playing it for so long. And then school, they started playing it. And then the iPod version came out. Oh, the iPod version. And then from there it was all uphill. Or downhill, actually. I started playing it again. And now I'm here. I must get to 200 on the last one. Yes!